Hello, I was just sent this bracelet making kit and it comes with 6,800 beads and pieces in 24 colors and it makes 60 bracelets. So here's all of the stuff we got, all of these beautiful vibrant colors, all of these letter charms in different colors. There's also gold and there's numbers and hearts, and also comes with stars and other metallic beads. Very beautiful. Has these silver charms and these tweezers to pick up the beads to make it extra easy for you to make bracelets. And also comes with these other charms, little fruits and shells. And it also has elastic string and scissors to cut that string. And so I'm gonna make a bracelet. So I'm gonna start making my bracelet. I just cut a string here and put a little knot in it so the beads don't slip off. And I'm so excited to get to try this with my boyfriend and do it with my friends. I think it would be a great gift. So I really like how they separated these beads. I finished my nice bracelet here, added some charms, and it says happy. And I really like how they've separated these. I poured these in there to use. I just tied mine on for my use because that's how I want to wear it. But they also do give you this instruction kit on how to tie them so it stays super long, including these lobster claws and jump rings, which I think are really nice. They're really nice quality, and they also have all these star beads you can use. And I just really like how this went on. It was super fun to build. And I can't wait to make more.